What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Berkshire. Thank you for checking out this video. If you enjoy the content that I create and the videos that I make, please like, comment, subscribe, turn that bell notification on below, and tell a friend about the channel. Now let's get into this. All right, my friends, today we're going to talk about something completely different. I'm not going to talk about a camera. I'm not going to talk about a lens. I'm going to talk about social media. And as you see in the title of the video, lately I've been asking myself, why not YouTube? Guys, I've been wanting to do YouTube for so long. I'm inspired by so many YouTube video creators. That's how I learned how to become a videographer and a photographer. That's how I learned everything, was watching YouTube videos. And I want to make more YouTube videos. And it is so hard going into 2024. But let's be honest, making Reels is hard, making TikToks is hard, making YouTube videos is hard. So the question is, where do you start? You know, who do you want to be on YouTube? What do you want to talk about? What do you want to show? What do you want to promote? And that's been the hardest thing for me, and trying to figure out who I want to be on YouTube has been the hardest thing for me going into this year. But I just know that I want to do YouTube. I want to be a YouTuber. I've been so inspired for so long by YouTubers. So instead of trying to figure out like who I want to be, I just realized lately that I just need to be myself. You know, I just need to be Aaron Berkshire, the sports videographer, photographer, the guy who goes to concerts and weddings and shoots product videography with his wife every day. I just need to be myself. I don't need to try and be anyone else. So what I wanted to talk about mainly in this video is how hard it is to be a YouTuber, and some of the things that you can focus on that I'm trying to focus on if you want to get into YouTube and you want to start doing it. So the first one is going to be audio. I'm just now getting down this whole audio thing for podcasts and YouTube videos, and I've been struggling with audio for the longest time, and it was so discouraging making YouTube videos, making Reels, because I'd hear everyone else's audio and I'd be so jealous. And I'd go, why doesn't my audio sound like their audio? Why doesn't my voice sound like them? It's because of Adobe Enhance. Adobe Enhance is one of the most simplest, easiest tools that I just found out about. And I know I live under a rock. I'm 35 years old, and sometimes I'm just late to the party. And I was late to the Adobe Enhance party. If you have not signed up, I mean, I'm not sponsored by Adobe, but holy crap, that thing is absolutely amazing. It works wonders off the track that I get from Adobe Edition with this microphone, this Shure microphone that I have. You know, I love the way it sounds now. So that's the first thing that's made me more confident about wanting to do YouTube videos and about Reels and TikToks and really just simply everything, is finally liking the way that I sound. The second thing is putting time into thumbnails and putting time into being original, putting time into the real thought and the real story that you have to have for YouTube, because not every video can just be like, I'm going to review and talk about how much I love this lens today or this camera tomorrow. It's really hard to find a storyline. It's really hard to attract viewers. You know, YouTube is not meant for creators. It's meant for the viewers. It's meant for people like you that want to watch videos, and people like us that just want to get on YouTube and just listen to something or learn something and watch something that entertains us. So sometimes, you know, the boring content like camera gear and lenses, that stuff can be pretty boring. And lately I've just been wondering, what other kind of YouTube video can I make right now? What can I talk about? So this is it. Why not YouTube? Why not this year? This is going to be the time that I put everything into trying to be a YouTuber. This is going to be the year that I try to find myself and find who I am and who I'm truly need to become on YouTube, just to fulfill my own goals. You know, it's not for money. It's not for any, and I have, you know, my career. I'm happy with, you know, my bills are paid. I'm happy to say, you know, that's the only reason I'm doing this is because I've become a photographer and a videographer that I can say my bills are paid, all from photography and videography. My wife and I have created a business shooting product videography and photography, and we've created a side hustle of shooting weddings throughout the year. And then I shoot some concerts and shows throughout the year, and then I shoot for the NFL. And we do so many different things for money. YouTube is not something I'm doing for money, probably ever. I don't even care about making money from YouTube. I just want to make YouTube videos, and I just want to tell you guys about the things that I like, the camera gear that I use, and I just want to tell you guys about the ways that my wife and I have, generated an income from being content creators full time. Everyone has to realize this, it's multiple streams of income. I did not buy a house, or we did not buy a house or cars just from being a football photographer or videographer, or just being from one thing. In the year 2024, you have to know that it's going to be a lot of streams of income that are going to have to, together generate a financial difference for you if this is something you want to do full time. You could be working a job right now that you hate and you just want to be a full-time photographer. I'm here to tell you that you probably might not make as much money as you thought you might just doing photography, and you need to try and do video. I know some people that make a good living just off of video alone, and they do photography on the side because it comes with it, right? Photography comes with being a videographer. But if you're just a photographer, expect that you're going to have to work 3 times as hard if you don't do any video, at least to generate more income. So the question today is, why not YouTube? Why can't I just make YouTube videos and talk about the things that my wife and I have done, the things that I'm proud of, show you guys the cameras and the lenses that I love? Honestly, I might put up a couple different things this year. I thought about recording and putting up a couple new videos of myself playing drums, something I've done my whole life for 30 years, and I used to put up a lot of drum videos, and my wife said, why would you want to put up drum videos on your YouTube channel where you talk about cameras and you're this person now, not this person that used to be a long time ago? And I said, because I love it. I love playing drums, and I think that nowadays, because I'm a videographer, it'd be cool to film a sweet video of me playing drums. And where am I going to upload it? I'm going to upload it to this channel, to you guys. And, I really hope that you guys just enjoy these videos about me talking about gear, and I'm going to continue to do it. I'm going to tell you what lenses I use, what cameras, Sony and Canon and everything that we do. And I want to also upload a little bit more BTS of us working the product videos. I know I don't show it off that much, but we make such a good living doing product videography and photography that I'd love to show you guys behind the scenes of what we do. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed listening to me rant, and I hope you guys enjoy all the YouTube videos that I try to put up this year. It really does mean the world to me, and I just appreciate you guys checking this one out. So that's it. Until the next one. Peace.